Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby, and today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Denise from This and That with Denise Jordon. Now, the collaboration is called the Kitchen Vignette Challenge Open Invite, and what we had to do is to create a kitchen vignette using a tray, a floral arrangement, whether live or faux, and a book. Guys, to tell you the truth, I own no cookbooks at all. I just use a computer whenever we need to find any kind of recipes. But I really wanted to participate in this collaboration or challenge, so I'm going to show you three vignettes that I created. So just stay tuned and watch. Now, in order to do the next vignette, I had to move this one, and I liked it so much that I decided I'll just move it and put it in my entryway. It was an easy move, just lift up the tray and move it over to the entryway and just added my candle. I'd like to thank Denise from This and That with Denise Jordon for this open invite, and I'd like to encourage each and every one of you to please go and look at the other participants' vignettes. For watching my video, and if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And this is Carol from Inspiredby. Have a good day.